a 2017 Subaru Forester 2.5i Premium. It has 4 cylinders with 2.5 liters. AutoCheck gives this Subaru a score of 94 out of 92 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can visit the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. It has a nice cover for your back area to protect your belongings. Nice rubber floor mats. And if needed, spare tire with all the equipment is still there. You have aluminum alloy rims. And I'll zoom in so you can see the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a gray leather in excellent condition. Are no flaws or marks, holes, tears anywhere in there on the leather. Here is the passenger seat, and the driver's seat is power seat. There's an information panel, and then this display screen is where your backup camera is, your climate controls, your heated seats. In here you have a USB auxiliary and 12-volt port. You do have the ability to have Starlink, and then this says MirrorLink because it's faded out. My phone doesn't support MirrorLink, and then AHA and Pandora. There are no caution or warning lights on. You do have the adaptive cruise control, your phone audio controls, information panel, blind spot monitoring, power locks, power windows, and then up here you have your collision alert as well as lane departure warning. And then you do have a beautiful panoramic sunroof. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle to travel around in, come and take the Subaru Forester out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you will drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's roll!